Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good, Miss. What about you?
Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you for asking me. So before we start the class today, let's pray together related to our religion. Pray, begin. Pray, finish. Okay, so let me check your attendance first. When I call your name, please say yes, miss. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Yasmin,
Yes, Miss.
Wilda. Wilda, are you here? Okay. Nur Aina Fika,
Yes, Miss.
Elsa,
Yes, Miss.
Nia Ramadhani.
Here, Miss.
Okay. Wilda Ramadhani, are you here?
Yes, Miss. Sorry.
Alpha,
Okay.
Miss. Alpha.
Okay, all right. Thank you. So before we start our lesson today, let's do an ice breaking first. Okay, I will show you some pictures of food. When you see the picture, I want you to shout out the taste in Indonesian. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Do you understand, guys? Okay.
Yes, Miss.
So the first picture is okay. Okay. Please mention the taste in Indonesian.
Manis, Miss.
Manis.
Okay.
Manis.
Next.
Gurih, asin.
Asin.
Okay. Next.
Asam.
Asam.
Okay.
Asam.
And last.
Pahit.
Okay, good job, everyone. That was fun. You were very quick. Okay, so last meeting, we learned about names of food and drinks, right? Can you still remember some foods that we have studied? Anyone want to share their answer? What we learned last week?
Food.
Names of food. Please mention one by one.
Lemon is apple.
Okay, what about the others?
Noodle.
Okay,
Coklat.
Nia, what about you?
Sorry, Miss. My internet is jelek, jadi saya tidak tahu apa pertanyaannya.
Okay, so last week we have learned about some name of foods. So today we will learn how to say taste in English. And our host today is, you can say 4 test words such as sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. And you can understand a short video about foods and their taste. And you can read a short test and answer simple question about food and taste. And last one, make a simple sentence about the taste of food and share it with a friend. Okay, but before that, I wanna ask you guys, what is your favorite food?
Chicken noodle, Miss. Chicken and noodle, Miss.
Okay, chicken and noodles. Okay, so bagaimana rasanya makanan favorit kamu? Apakah itu manis atau asin?
Dua-duanya, Miss. Asin.
Okay,
Asin.
so
Because my favorite food
thank you.
is spaghetti.
Okay, thank you for sharing your answer. So now, please look at the slide. We'll learn 4 test word in English. The first one is sweet. So sweet is a taste that has sugar. In Indonesian, we can say manis. And the example of food, the food is candy, cake, and ice cream. Please repeat after me, guys. Sweet,
Sweet.
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 Candy is sweet.
Candy
is sweet.
Okay. The second one is sour. So sour is a taste that feels sharp or asam or kecut in Indonesian. For food, there is lemon, tamarind, and yogurt. Please repeat after me, guys. Sour,
Sour.
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 Sour. Sour.
Lemon is sour.
Lemon is sour.
Okay, good job. That was very clear. And the third one is salty. Salty in Indonesian means asin. It is a taste that contains salt. For example, there is chips, popcorn, and telur asin. Do you know telur asin?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, and I don't like it.
Okay, so please repeat after me. Salty,
Salty.
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 Chips are salty.
Chips
are
salty.
Okay, good. And the last one, there is bitter. So, bitter in Indonesian means pahit. For example, there is coffee, dark chocolate, and bitter melon. Atau in Indonesian we call it paria. Okay, please repeat after me. Bitter,
Bitter.
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 Coffee is bitter.
Coffee is bitter.
Okay. Give applause, everyone.
Yeah.
You know, now you have now 4 test words such as sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. And now I will play a short video. So please listen carefully because there will be a worksheet after that, and you have to continue. You have to answer the question. Okay.
Okay, Miss. Okay.
Tastes and flavors. Do you know how to describe the tastes and flavors of your food? Let's find out today. Taste. Taste is how we feel about food. When we eat, our tongues help us feel the taste. Flavor. Flavor is the overall experience of your food or drinks. Flavor comes from taste, smell, and texture. Sweet. The candy tastes sweet. Yeah. It's so sweet. The lemon tastes sour. Yuck. It's truly sour. Oh no. Spicy. The curry tastes spicy. Oh wow. It's
Oh my God.
really spicy. Try. The bread tastes dry.
Okay, so I will share the worksheet in the WhatsApp group. And now, please open your worksheet. Okay, in the section A, you have to match the food to the correct test. So you have to draw a line from the food into the correct test. And for the section B, you have to read side checklist di samping vocabulary foodnya. Tetapi kalian menceklisnya berdasarkan video tersebut, apakah makanan tersebut disebutkan di video atau tidak. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
So I will give you 3 minutes to do this, to answer this question. You may start now. Have you finished, guys?
Finish. Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, now we will move into the next section, into the next activities. And I want students to read this text, and everyone please listen carefully. So who wants to be volunteer to read this text?
Me, Miss.
Who? Elsa?
Nia.
Oh, Nia, sorry. Okay, Nia.
Okay,
Time is
thank
yours,
you,
Nia.
Miss. Okay, so foods have different tastes. Candy and chocolate are sweet. Lemons and tamarind are sour. Chips and pretzels are salty. Some vegetables like watermelon taste bitter.
Okay, good job, Nia. Thank you. Okay, now please open again your worksheet. In the part B, in this section A, you have to answer this question based on the text that you have read, and just answer using one or two words only. And for the section B, you have to choose first what food that you like and draw your food here in this column. And after that, you have to describe your food using this pattern. For example, you choose apple as your favorite food. So you draw in here, and after that, you describe using this sentence, like this is apple. It tastes sweet. You understand, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer this question. So you may start now. Have you finished, guys?
Yes, I have, Miss.
Okay, so I want students to share their answer for section A, and I want one students share their answer for section B.
I want section B, Miss.
Okay, for section A, who?
I think Vika wants to.
Sorry, Miss, because Vika have trouble with her Zoom.
Okay, what about you, Nia,
Maybe
for
you can
section
answer
A?
it with my device if you want.
Oh, okay,
Is it
that's
okay?
great. Okay, so for section A, Fika, and for section B, Elsa. Okay, you may start now to share your answer to your friends.
Okay, thank you, Miss. So, number one sweet food is candy. One sour food is lemon. One salty food is chips. And one bitter food is bitter melon. And how many taste words in the text is 4? Sweet, sour,
Okay, good
salty,
job,
and
Fika.
bitter.
Okay, good job, Fika. Your answer is correct, Annie. Please give applause to your friends. Okay, next, Elsa for section B.
Yes, Miss. I
Okay.
will write and choose chocolate. So this
Okay.
is a chocolate and it tastes sweet.
Okay, excellent, Elsa. Give applause to your friends. Okay, so you guys used this word correctly, and you really understood the text. Next, we will move into the next activity. Okay. Okay, so in this part, first you will you will work individually, and after that you will work with your partner. So the first that you have to do is think about the taste of each food in the screen. There is 6 food, and you have to think about it for a minute, and no talking. Just think about it individually. I will give you 1 minute to think for the answer. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, have you done, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, before we continue, I will tell you your partner name. So the first pair is there is Fika work with Nia, and the second pair Wilda will work with Sasa, and the third pair is Yasmin work with Elsa. Okay, is it clear?
Clear, Miss.
Okay. Okay, now talk with your partner in via WhatsApp chat, discuss the test of the food, and make a simple sentence like this. Okay? And here is the worksheet. I will give you 5 minutes, so you may start now to discuss with your friends.
Chat me, Yasmin. I don't know your number.
What? Come again?
Okay, Elsa.
Okay, time is up. Have you finished, guys?
Yes, we have.
Yes, Miss. Finish.
Okay, so I will choose very randomly and to share their sentence with the partner. For the first pair is Yasmin and Elsa. Please, Yasmin and Elsa.
Okay, Miss. So first, the drink is matcha. It tastes bitter. The second one, the food is apple. It tastes sweet and sometimes sour. Number 3 is the food is honey and it tastes sweet. The fourth one, the food is cookies. It tastes sweet. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The food is cheese. It tastes sour. Salty. The last is the last is orange. It tastes sour. That's all.
Okay, give applause everyone to your friends. Thank you for sharing your ideas, and your sentence was very clear. Okay, before we end our lesson today, I want to you guys scan this QR code and please join because there will be 10 questions in the game. So you have to answer all of the question. Have you scanned, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so you may start now for the game, and I will check in here. Finish, guys?
Not yet, Miss.
Okay.
So sorry, Miss. I tried to. Oh wait, the mommy.
Okay, it's okay. You may try later after this class.
Means I can join the game because my internet connection was
Okay,
so
it's okay. Finish, guys?
Hold on, Miss, a little bit.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Finish.
Done, Miss.
Okay, we can see in here, many of you answered correctly, but maybe there is kesalahan sedikit. So yeah, give applause to yourself, guys. Good job. Okay, before we finish this class, let's reflect on today's lesson. So, what word did you learn today?
Sweet,
Anyone?
sweet,
Okay.
sour, bitter, and salty.
Okay, give applause to Elsa. So, what what was easy for you in this class? In this maybe what easy for you to understand for the lesson or yeah. Anyone?
Sorry, Miss. I can hear you.
Okay, so kita ganti pertanyaannya. How about the process of the class? Is it fun or
it's so fun. Means I really enjoy the
Fun,
class.
Miss.
Yeah,
Very
Miss,
Okay.
I like the picture, the slide, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much.
For me, Miss, I like the game.
Okay, thank you so much. So, give applause for today's class.
Cepat 1 menit lagi.
Okay, for your homework, this you have to do in your home, and next week you have to complete in the class if we had offline class. Okay, I think that's all for today's class. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Miss. I love it.